Good morning, good morning. Oh man, my little phone case is getting in the way. Well, I guess that should work, right? Good enough. So, good morning, good morning. Just got done cleaning a dryer vent for my mom's friend. Thing was filthy. Filthy. Right now we're heading out to a customer's house. I did work for him before, and he sent me a photo of his, what you want to call it, it's a sump pump pipe, okay? It gets ejected outside. Now it goes from the pipe down and it goes to this drain tile, you know, that big corrugated black pipe, probably like this big, and with a bunch of holes, small holes in it. I don't think it's connected, maybe just fed right in, and what's happening right now, it's backing up. So I was already kind of warning them, give him a price to unclog it, and then I told them it might be collapsed, and then I told them if the pipe's collapsed, then the price is gonna jump, and that's always fun. I think the last time, this is my second time unclogging one of these. I don't do them often. The first time I had the rigid K400. Yeah, that's what I was using at the time, and I just got stuck. Well, I didn't get stuck, but what happened was it just wouldn't get past a certain point. I think I had that dryer lens still in my face. But it was getting stuck at a certain point. I fed it both ways, and then eventually I was able to narrow it down what area the pipe was, where I couldn't get through. Got the approval from the customer, dug it up, and then realized the whole pipe was collapsed. Well, in that section. So let's hope and pray that this pipe's not collapsed, because I'm not a big fan of digging. Avoid at all costs for the most part. But yeah, I'll get you guys some shots. Oh, you know what? Also, I know I keep on saying, well, I don't know if I keep saying, but I told you guys I will try that Blue Monster drain banger. And I just tried it a couple days ago, and it's awesome. What happened was I had to unclog a bathroom sink and then do something else in the house, and I saw I was gonna have some time. So I took my plunger, covered overflow, and actually their stopper was out. So once I seen the stopper was out, I'm like, oh, it's not gonna be an easy hair clog now. They did have that little screen in it, but yeah, so I took the plunger and then covered the overflow, started plunging it with no success. So I'm like, awesome. And it was draining really slow, so I just ran hot water down there as much as I can, and then I started using that drain banger. Put it down there, waited 10 minutes, went back, check on it, start running water, start draining a lot better, plunged at a dot, I don't think I even need to, and boom, it was clear. It's nice and boring, but I seen that, I was just like, holy crap, they're really gonna take the skill out of the trade now. You could just put some product down there and it just unclogs it for you. And that was inside the pipe. I was gonna have to take the whole pipe apart. You know, take the P-trap apart and shove a snake in there. But with that, too easy. Too easy, I almost felt guilty. And it's actually safe. It's not like Drano. It's safe on the trim and blah blah blah. But yeah, I'll definitely have to show a video on that. I just bought, after I used I used one, it comes in, you get a big one. I think they have bigger ones, but it was like 2 pounds I have. So I used 1 pound of it. And so I bought 2 more. I'm like, this stuff is amazing. I'm gonna start buying this in like big quantity. I think some guys were talking about the drift is good. I think it's even comparable to drift. Drift? I think it's called. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I'll get you guys some shots. Hey, how's it going?
Hey,
good. Good.
Good besides this.
Yeah. I was gonna say, is it easy just to go around?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay if I record for YouTube for educational purposes?
Sure.
Awesome. Hey. I think I seen you all bowling.
Bowling? Really?
Yeah. And let's say I could have got you mixed up with somebody else.
Probably.
Was it like a month or so ago?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. I wasn't sure it was you or not. I was like, huh.
Yeah. They did have a baby with me.
Yeah. I think I.
We have a baby now.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah. This is the situation.
Okay, so that's actually in there. That's gonna. So, what did you guys do to this now? Did you extend this in here? Or was it like this?
So yeah, so this black thing wasn't here. The black pipe that goes out to drainage kind of starts around here.
So you guys added that in.
Yeah. All right. Here it comes.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, it's kind of continuously.
But you added this in. So, but why did you have to add this in? Was the pipe cracked or something?
Yeah. So yeah, this pipe cracked. So the thing that was connecting it wouldn't stay in.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, so then what we actually did was we made this pipe longer, thinking if we stuck it down deeper into that pipe,
yeah,
that the water wouldn't come back.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know why I was thinking. Yeah, it's not a drain tile. It's just gonna be the corrugated. I was thinking it's gonna have the little holes in it. No, it's not gonna have little holes because it'll let roots grow. So where is this draining out to?
Yeah, it seems like it's not the kind of holes, because it comes all the way up here.
Oh, wow. That's going to be a... Holy crap. Oh. That is a far run.
We think that's...
And I wonder...
It's the exit, but we also think our neighbors might come to this too. Is it possible they connected them, or...?
I wonder... So I'm gonna have to probably cut this pipe so I can actually get my snake in here.
Yeah.
How far is it?
Yeah, we cut it.
Oh wow. You guys
times and put some little adapters on it and.
Oh no. so PVC. So PVC. I thought the PVC ended right here. It keeps going.
Yes.
How did you guys have the PVC in then?
Yes. Because I guess it did just come straight down and kind of just hook at a 90-degree angle before, and then we kind of we made it longer. There's a few adapters, and then it kind of goes
that way.
It goes into this pipe, maybe to here-ish.
Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna feed it from the other way then.
But
shall be fun. Shall be fun. I always forget which way you're supposed to go. I want to feed this backwards. Okay. Need the male. The male end. Yeah, so pretty much I'm just feeding this backwards. Well, I mean, hitting the drain pipe backwards, and now I might be screwing myself. Because what are the chances of me hitting the right pipe? They're very slim. And actually I just put this backwards, but whatever. As long as, yeah, I'm good. Feeding everything backwards now. I don't want to get caught in anything. I might just go like this. I don't know, maybe I should go with the teeth. I don't want to get stuck. I'm gonna go with this. There's a lot of ribs in this. Yeah, I got the bigger jaws finally, the 4 inchers and the 6 inchers for this thing. Got to take the whole, what do you want to call it, the case apart, the internals, because it's not made to hold all those. So I can fit everything in there. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work for me. Oh. I'm already stuck. There we go. What is going on? And then I'm going to be going uphill too. Probably going to be screwing myself. I know I'm not going in there. Where is the pipe? I should be in the pipe. What is it, right here? Got a clog right here or something? I can't get this thing through. Unreal. What do I want to do? Right now, it's feeling that just this thing is flat right here. It's gonna be a fun one. I really think it's right here. Here we go. Look at all these houses right now. Oh man, there's something on my... Worried about getting ripped off. So I'll just walk away with this thing. So, obviously I was getting stuck in the beginning. I just kind of took a couple, just went around, and I just lifted it out. Pipes collapsed right at the end. I wonder if how far it goes. I might just take it back a little further, see if that's it. I think that's just a problem. It could be more, but so let's try something. Oh yeah, it's even worse over here. Oh wow, this sucker is flat. That's flat, dog. Wow. Oh man, okay. See, it goes flat and then it's gonna start going bigger. So let's try something. Oh, looks like something's happening. Let's try something. If I can do it. Water's coming out, probably gonna screw myself, filling up my hole of water. Let's go see if the sump pump pipe will allow it now to go through. So I cut a little section off over there.
Okay.
This thing was flat.
Oh.
So I want to see if this thing's gonna pump. And I think I hear it. Say bloop, bloop, bloop.
Yeah.
I wonder if this whole pipe is flat. That's that I cut like a section off like this much.
Okay.
And that thing was all flat like that.
Oh. You're saying like from the end of it? Like, did you like kind of dig?
Yeah, I dug a little further, probably about this far, say about 2 feet. Cause I couldn't even feed my snake in there. So I knew it was tight. So then I dug it up a little bit.
Huh.
I want to see if this thing starts pumping water.
Well, that makes me wonder if maybe the neighbors does go somewhere else.
And actually, I seen it curving towards this way too, so it's probably yours.
Okay. Well, that's good. I mean,
This thing was pumping when we didn't want it to pump, and now I want it to pump now. Nope.
less.
Is that less? Okay, well, I just missed that, but I'm gonna go try snaking it again.
Okay.
See if I can do it. The pipe is probably flat in other areas too. But it was less water, he said, so. Oh man.
If you think it's flat and needs to be dug up, then
It's up to you. Like right now, I only jumped into this because it's pretty much was at the start. So that's why I'm trying to figure out what's going on, to even see what's going on, and I'll let you decide how you want to do it. Going uphill, fighting gravity. Get that glove. 30 feet. So many cigarette butts for that one job. Where is it? I'm flushing cigarettes down the drain. Alright, live with it. Where's my end? Okay. That's 45 feet. I wonder if I got to the PVC pipe now. So I finally got the sump pump to not back up over there, the pipe. So all I did was, you know, the original port was right here. So I just cut that out, told them we could bring it back here. And then it'll drain out good. I put that guard back on, which is probably gonna be an issue anyways. A little bit, it keeps critters out, but I'm sure it'll clog over time. But it just drains down. But that's it. That's a wrap.